So here is our new dishwasher. Kenwood. Oh, I see. So you can't change program as the thing is sure. So I'll go through the program very quickly. So we have glass. 9-minute rapid soak, auto intensive normal eco, half flow and quick dry and start. It's late at night, so I have to just pretty quickly. That's inside of it. Detergent tray thing. There you go. So that is the new dishwasher. We tried to get the other one going. We tried the float switch. I found it was inside somewhere in the other one. We tried that, cleaned it, and it still did the same thing on the video. So, unfortunately, we couldn't get it going. So we got a new one. Okay, I'll see you in the next washer video, which will come up in a few weeks. No, actually Saturday. Hopefully, she should have been in your request for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to film it in like stages. So one night I'll film the wall, then I'll film the 15-minute and then the daily. Things I'm really when it will close really to do. Then I upload it, so I did it all in one night, but in case I didn't. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.